If you get the right reverse, the examiner would ask you to pull up on the right, somewhere safe. Avoid driveways if you can. Do not park opposite a junction, don't park in a bus stop, or where there's loads of parked cars, if you can avoid it. You need to reverse in a straight line safely, so one of the most important things is pulling up not too close or too far from the curb. 30 to 40 centimetres is okay, but you do need to be really straight when you pull up. This makes the reversing bit much easier. Once the examiner has told you to stop, they will then ask you to drive off safely and make your way back to the normal driving position. Do your normal observations, but start on the right-hand side with your blind spot and make your way round to the left blind spot. Keep checking that left blind spot as you pull away. You need to reverse in a straight line